Here's a quick video to show you how to set your outlet timer. These things are great for Christmas lights, or if you have a light in your house that you want to come on at specific times when you're not at home, this thing right here will do it. It comes in 2-prong and 3-prong outlets. This is a 2-prong version, but they all do the same thing. First thing you're going to want to do is turn to the top, switch it over to timer on. Then you're going to go and set your current time. Here it is 4 o'clock in the evening p.m. So I'm going to rotate until I hit 4 p.m. with that arrow where it says current time. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push down these pins where I want this outlet to be live. To do that, I would like it to start at 5 p.m., which is about when it starts to get dark. And I'm going to push these all the way down, and I'm going to take it to midnight. So what happens here is that this outlet will be live from 5 o'clock p.m. to 12 a.m. If you're looking for a product like this, check the link below and I got you covered. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.